This Remax Select Property video is presented by Tracy Wisnant. Spacious, well-maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bath brick ranch home on approximately 1.53 acres. Living room has a brick fireplace with gas logs. Dining room gets plenty of natural light. Kitchen has a center aisle with breakfast bar. Laundry room/walk-in pantry has plenty of cabinets and counter space. One bedroom is huge. Was formerly 2 bedrooms until dividing wall was removed. Home has a 4-bedroom potential. 1 bedroom has a door to the screened rear porch. 1 bath has a walk-in shower. Home has closets galore. All rooms are spacious. Home has a covered front porch and a large screened rear porch for relaxing. Home has a side-load double garage with storage room. The crawl space is encapsulated. All appliances remain. The small storage building is wired. The large storage building has light only. Both storage buildings remain. This home is move-in ready. A must-see. For more information,